This is the part number 2 of the video series When to Learn CAD Development. In the previous video, we have seen how you can step by step uh, structure your learning when you are studying engineering. Now, I am going to talk about if you are started off in your career, you graduated and you are either looking for a job or you already started with your first job and you are you are uh, within first 6 months of your job. So if it is the uh, the stage you are in, then how you shall target learning CAD automation. So here I am assuming that you either started with design engineering or you started with something else. You might have joined trainee engineer and you are gaining the knowledge of different departments within the company. You may be or you may be not doing design engineering uh, in this job. So that doesn't matter. So that's why I'm not very uh, keen on that. You start with anything, any industry, being mechanical engineer, that is that is fine. Now let's jump into how you can learn CAD automation when you are at this stage. So first thing, what you have to do, you have to enroll a, a program where you are being taught programming language as well as a CAD APIs. So I have shared with you three top options to learn CAD APIs. One is CATIA CAA, another is NX Open, and then third is Creo Toolkit. So you start with any one of these with a programming language included. So you start with any one of these and you undergo a three to 6 months of program. As I said earlier as well, you must do a lot of practice sessions, and if there is enough support you are getting for that, that will be much better program you have to get enrolled into. You finish this first program in first 3 to 6 months. Then what you have to do next is once you feel that you are good at that, you are done with that, then you enroll into another CAD APIs program following the same language that you have learned in the first program. Suppose you started with C or C++, then you continue with the same programming language but different CAD APIs program. Let's say you started with NX Open first, then you start with Creo Toolkit or CATIA next, and you also spend 3 to 6 months in that program, and you make sure that you got the enough uh, learning, you got the enough hands-on for that program. So this is going to be a 1 year roadmap for you. Once you have done this, you definitely have good skills, good understanding of that topics, and you can definitely include those skill sets into your resume. Now, what you have to do till by this time you are also having 1 to 1.5 years of experience in your job. Now it is a good time to see and think in a direction uh, whether uh, where you can implement, where you can utilize your knowledge of CAD automation into your job. You have to think in that direction and get the ideas for automation. So if you are a design engineer, you will be getting an opportunity to try those things maybe at your office or at your home, and you can try out different small ideas for automation. But if you are not, then you only can try out. You can only spend time at your home uh, converting those ideas into small programs. But you have to get into this thought process, you have to get into this thinking and generate ideas, generate the programs based on your skill set, and gain the more hands-on experience out of that. And then at the same time, you can even start with interview, and then your skill sets and with this little bit hands-on that you started off is going to help you in cracking the interviews. So first 1 year is going to be your learning duration. Then 3 to 6 months is utilizing that knowledge, appearing interviews, and improving your hands-on, and try to see that you attend as many interviews as you can, and uh, work on the interview feedback that you have so that you can improve and crack the next one. So this can be a typically 1 to 1.5 year of a roadmap for you to get into the design automation CAD development role. So uh, this is how you can make this happen for yourself. So that's it. We are uh, now at the end of this video. I think you got enough pointers. If you do have any questions to ask me, then please ask those in the comment section. Once again, thank you for listening to my video till the end. Uh, have a good luck and bye bye for now.